And then once you have the suspension, there's a piece that goes in here. But don't worry, there's another piece that goes here. So look at all the pieces that go into what seems to be a very simple suspension system. But is it really? That'll be up to you guys and what you guys think in the comments that I won't say. But please do drop them in. I will look carefully through the system and hopefully find the comments so that I can reply to you guys. I do really enjoy commenting with you guys and talking about stuff online. So if you're willing to drop a comment, I'll be willing to answer the comment so long as YouTube doesn't hide it from me. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Suspensions, pretty interesting things, a little bit more complicated than you thought.
Likey.